Okay, the cameraman will try not to get hit on this one. You can feel the wind. You guys go when you're ready. Oh, big pile up in the corner. Back at it in the action here.
Ready?
Lug Nut Speedway, Facebook. 2, 3. Oh, yellow flag, boys. Here we go. We're going to go for 4 laps now. You guys are getting nervous there on camera. 4. Oh, big crash. Big crash. Let's pan in. Driver's okay. There he is. Okay, cool. You guys got 5 in. You got enough car to go the distance? Yeah. 6, 7. Yo, yellow, 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 yellow. They're almost there. You guys are like a bunch of outlaws. There we go. Lap 9. 67, 17, 25. What a great view.